Bro, oh, whoa, what the? Yo, guys, welcome back to another episode here on Bedistinct. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up. You guys already know. Thank you guys so much for the support and the comments you guys been giving me. It's freaking awesome. The feedback I got on the previous video of the diffuser, man, I love it. I am looking to get a ducktail. I still don't know when, but I do want one. I feel like that would complete the whole freaking look. But besides that, today we are going to be introducing the first person on my channel. All right, never done this, and I'm glad to do this because he owns also a G35, and his G35 is so damn clean. He actually just got it back, and I'm introducing it to you guys, and hopefully let me know down in the comment section below what you guys think. His car is way better than mine. It's so sick, and he's looking to install some louvers today, so we're gonna go help him and see what's going on. But man, I'm excited, so we're gonna go head over. But you guys already know you gotta stay on top of your game when it comes to oil changes and all that stuff. So we're gonna check the engine oil level, see how that is. We recently just changed it, so I'm not worried about that, but just checking it because you guys don't know what's gonna happen. So you guys gotta be on top of that. So without further ado, let's get on with the day. Just check the engine oil, guys, after 2 weeks, and it is still in good condition. It's in the, you know, high and low. You guys already know that it's in the middle. So it's doing good so far. I might put a little bit more, but it's doing good, guys. It's not burning that much oil, which I'm super happy about. But then again, I don't misuse my car. I like to treat it good and stuff like that, but you know, that's different people. So I forgot I had to take my scooter, guys. You guys don't know the struggle with school parking. They charge you literally $450 to park the whole year at school. That is fucking insane. So I'm gonna take my pink fucking lowrider scooter because I don't got time to pay all that bullshit parking fees. So we gotta load up the Batmobile scooter and head to school. This is how I'm gonna ride to school nowadays. Woohoo! Let's go. All right, let's hear this engine wake up, brothers. I fucking love this, bro. You guys don't know how much I fucking miss driving my car after being at school. Drive once. It was the most, hands down, like the most happiest thing in my life. All right, here putting gas. This is something I do. I don't know if you guys have done it before, but I only fill my gas up halfway every time. I put in like 30 bucks, 10 gallons. I put 10 gallons. Every time I fill, I just never fill it up all the way. I don't know why, and I just got used to it. I guess I like coming to the gas station. I'm not sure why, but yeah, I only fill my car up halfway. Do you guys do that? Am I just weird or am I stupid? Like, let me know, because I don't know, it just feels better that way. You guys want that first person point of view? Person point of view, guys. We got the lettering up on top, and we gonna go, brodies. Bro, I'm in love with this shit, bro. Oh, whoa, what the bitch? You little stupid. You guys seen that shit? Oh, look at that BRZ. That shit is nice. Alright, guys, so we're here in an undisclosed location. But yeah, here's my friend's car. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think, man. I thought my car was sick, right? And then when I parked it next to him the first day I met him, I was like, shit, bro. Like, oh shit, I'm slipping. I felt like, god damn, like I didn't know my car didn't look that good. But his car is lower. What are you lowered on? By the way, this is Edward. This is my friend Edward. Tell me a little bit something about your car. Let me show him what you got.
G35 coupe,
right?
2004.
Yeah.
It's on K-Sport coilovers. Brake kit is Acaboni brake kits.
Yeah, check these bad boys, bro. These are fat, dude. They're crazy big. Look, these are mine, the stock ones. Got his. Hella big. All right, continue.
Then I got, you know, Barstone rims. Yeah. They're 19 by 10.5. Offset is 23. Headlights, a Spec D.
Oh, you already know. That's where I got it from. Once I saw it on his car, I had to get him because I was like, I can't get away with this. This shit was looking clean. Especially when you did that lock thing. Oh, the lock did like thing. Sequential things.
Let's see. The bumper is from Outcast Garage.
Oh, you bought it from them? How much was that?
400, I think it was. 400?
Oh, that's not
Yeah,
bad,
and the guy who painted it for me was it $500 to paint it.
$500, okay.
Go
Ooh, you got the what's this, side marker delete?
Yes, I'm
Hey,
all
sick.
blocked out.
Hey, by the way, quick question. You know how I posted that green shit, the green
Yeah.
light? You think they'll give me a ticket for that or what? Like, or what about the license
They
plate?
might.
The license plate?
License plate, mine's blue.
Your license plate
I
blue?
already got pulled over like 6 times. They told me
Six
They told
times?
me to change it. Carbon fiber hood
Yep.
from Cybon.
What's the other brand? So there's Cybon, and then what's the other one?
Carbon Creations. I
Carbon
think it's called.
Creations. That's nice.
Then I got the NVIDIA exhaust, full cat, the catback exhaust.
Where'd you get that from? Have you ever bought anything from was that site Spec G or Car ID?
Yeah, so that's what.
Oh, that's where you got it?
From Car
Okay,
ID.
sick.
TR tail light or
Oh, that's right. Turn it on for me. Turn it on for me. Y'all gotta see this. Here, follow him on his Instagram.
Ready?
He posted the picture right here. That's his Instagram. Go make sure to give him a follow. Oh yeah, go ahead. Damn, look at these. These are definitely needed if you. Dude, these are sexy as fuck. These are nice. Oh yeah, he got performance. I don't, cause I don't know. I'm a little pussy like that, but he does.
just the intake and a strut bar.
There you go. And your future mods. He's getting
Future mods,
getting an oil cooler.
oil cooler, catch can, and after this engine, takes a crap.
Right.
I'm gonna put a new one in there.
A new engine?
Straight engine in there, yes.
Wait, wouldn't you rather buy a new car or
No.
you gonna fix it
No,
up?
I'm gonna fix it up.
This is your baby.
I'm
I
gonna
like
make
it.
it
I like it.
Nice.
And then we got the louvers that he's about to install right now. They're on right now. We kind of just fitted it. It has like perfect fitment right now, but we still haven't released like the tapes and stuff like that. But we're about to do that right now, and this is gonna look fire right now. All right, y'all gotta let me know in the comment section what you guys think about the car, man. Seems sexy right here.
She's a little dirty, but
They can't tell. It's black. Yeah, you can't really tell. Yo, guys, we're trying to figure this thing out, see how to stick it on good, because we don't want that thing flying. But he has an Infinity original OEM first aid kit, y'all. What was this again?
That's what I think for your blisters, or for
Blisters.
the wood.
Got a pair of scissors, bro. Y'all haven't seen this shit, I guarantee. All right, visibility. What's that like? Let's see. Dude, honestly, not even affected. All right, and also, guys, we have our first meet. When was it? July 13th, huh?
July 13th. Yeah.
July 13th, we're gonna get together for the first time ever, and I'm gonna introduce you guys to everybody and all their cars. It's gonna be pretty sick. I'm excited, and yeah, I can't wait for it. I'll show you guys everything. So that's nice. All right, guys, catch you guys later. Make sure to drop a fucking. I always fucked this up. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and catch you guys next video. Peace out.